inside industry, working with young people from schools in the Shoalhaven and as far away as Crookwell and the Illawarra, who are undertaking a science, technology, engineering and mathematics program, a STEM program. And the idea is to provide them with a rich smorgasbord of ideas and opportunities, meet with local industry and hopefully influence their subject choices at school and their career choices so they can plan their career more informed about the job that'll be there in the future for them.
We're really happy to be involved in the STEM Immersion Day today as an industry partner for the STEM Industry School Partnerships program here in the Illawarra. It's great to welcome students into BlueScope and show them some of the steelmaking process and some of the exciting projects that our cadets and younger professionals are getting exposed to while working here.
Today's a great opportunity for students to come together from a wide variety of schools in collaboration with Marty with Work Past Learning and Andy from BlueScope, providing opportunities for students to take what they do in the classrooms in the STEM realm and link it to career pathways and opportunities within the engineering and advanced manufacturing pathways in the local Illawarra region.
The day consists of 3 programs. Mindflight 7, which is a VR program focused on STEM, which takes them in the world of STEM careers and opportunities. We have a company here called Fizzics. They provide hands-on training in electrotechnology projects, so they'll learn a bit about Ohm's law and build a project. And importantly, they'll have an AI tour of BlueScope and see where the technology is going in the future to make steel in ways that hasn't been done before.
We're really excited to bring in a lot of our apprentices and cadets and professionals, not only that work for BlueScope but within our industry, to connect with these students, to build connection and sort of show them the different career paths that are available in our industry.
So far today I've done like a mine flight workshop and I've done electrical current.
Right now I am doing the Mindflight VR experience. It is a experience using VR where you get to experience a whole bunch of a range of things. I was dissecting frogs, swimming with sharks, climbing mountains.
Probably just working around with circuits. It's really interesting looking at just the circuitry of everything and looking at how that can be applied to other things. It's been really interesting. We
went on a bus tour around the steelworks, which was fun. We got to see all the furnaces, see the AI technology they're working on. It's cool. It is something you see out of a movie.
It's really cool to see how all the steel is made. It's a lot bigger than what it looks like from the outside. You step in and you see like all the different facilities and how many companies like BlueScope actually works with.
As such an employer of the region and a good opportunity for study and work, it's just a really good chance for our students to see what options are available to them, things that they mightn't have ever thought about before.
I am an aspiring engineer, mechanical engineering.
I think I'm going to go into sort of some STEM orientated profession, so this is really good to see maybe just some of the things that are going to happen here, maybe even working at BlueScope itself.
I came here to get a closer look at BlueScope to work out what I want to do after high school, whether I want to do a cadetship here during uni or not.
BlueScope's obviously a very prominent figure in the Illawarra. It's really interesting to see how they're moving forward, both not just obviously in their steelmaking, but just innovations with AI and other interests and other projects.